Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Spambled eggs. So let's walk this way. I usually keep a can or two of Spam laying around in case I'm quarantined by a virus or something like that. So let's see if we can get this out of the can. There we go. I'm just going to cut that up into cubes. I think what I'm going to do is cook the Spam first and get it nice and crispy, and then cook the eggs after. So let's get my pan going on kind of medium heat here. Add a little bit of avocado oil. That's what I usually use in the wok. You can do this in a regular frying pan as well. So get some of that oil in there, and I just use about half the can of Spam. It's just for me. I have enough left for a nice gourmet dinner later. Alright, we'll get this browning up, and as soon as this is looking nice and crispy, then I'll do the eggs. My Spam is starting to brown up nicely here. Gotta have that nice crispy outside, that's what makes it good. I mean, you can eat it right out of the can, but I always like frying it and getting a nice little crispy crust on it. Okay, that's just about done. As soon as that's cooked just a tad bit more, I'm going to get it out of there and then do the eggs. This is looking really nice. I turned the heat off for a minute, and I'm just going to get this out of there and put it on a paper towel on that plate and just kind of drain the excess fat off of it a little bit there. There's still some oil left in the pan, so I don't think I'll have to add any more. Turn the pan back on and put the heat on low. I haven't actually tried cooking scrambled eggs in this wok, so hopefully they'll turn out okay. It won't stick too bad. Guess we'll see what happens here. Anyway, we'll get those in there. Spam's pretty salty, so I think I'll just use Johnny's seasoned pepper on my eggs. This doesn't have any salt. It's just pepper, sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion, and I'll just kind of get these going here. Well, so far so good. Alright, those look pretty good to me. I'm going to turn that off. Turn the heat off. They didn't stick to the pan. I like them a little bit creamy, so that looks pretty good. Now I'll just go ahead and dump the Spam back in there. Kind of get it all mixed together here. Alright, let's see how we did here. Looks like it turned out pretty good. Nice crispy crust on the Spam there. A little bit of eggs with it. Here we go. Came out pretty good, but that Spam is really salty. You don't want to add any extra salt to that. Annie's doing her jiggy dance over here. Want some Spam, Annie? Yeah, she likes that Spam. Here, have a little bit of egg too. She's a chow hound. So if you have any cans of Spam laying around, there's a breakfast idea for you. Hope you guys are doing good, stay safe, and walk on.